Welcome to an in-depth explanation of one of the most fundamental concepts in programming, loops. Get ready to understand how they can revolutionize your code efficiency. In this video, we'll demystify programming loops, covering what they are, why they matter, and how to use the two most common types, for loops and while loops. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to Abdul Hadi AI World for more programming insights, and share this with your network. So what exactly are loops in programming? Simply put, a loop is a control flow statement that allows a sequence of instructions to be repeatedly executed until a certain condition is reached. Loops are crucial because they help reduce repetition in your code, making programs shorter, more efficient, and easier to manage, especially when dealing with repetitive tasks. Let's begin with the for loop, which is ideal when you know exactly how many times you want to iterate or repeat a block of code. The for loop is typically used for fixed iterations, such as processing elements in an array or executing a task a predetermined number of times. The basic syntax of a for loop includes three main components: initialization, a condition to check for each iteration, and an expression for incrementing or decrementing the counter. Here's an example of a for loop in action. Imagine iterating through a list of items to apply a specific action to each one efficiently. Next up is the while loop, which is different because it continues to execute a block of code as long as a specified condition remains true. The while loop is best suited when the number of iterations isn't known beforehand, such as continually reading user input or monitoring a system condition. The while loop's structure is simpler, requiring only a condition. The loop will run repeatedly as long as this condition evaluates to true. Observe this while loop. It perfectly demonstrates how code can run continuously, performing tasks until a specific exit condition is met. Beyond basic programming, loops have profound applications, particularly in the fields of artificial intelligence and data processing. In AI and machine learning, loops are essential for automating repetitive tasks like training neural networks over multiple epochs, optimizing model parameters, and running simulations. When dealing with large datasets, loops allow you to process every data point efficiently, enabling quick analysis and transformation, which is critical for data science. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned about programming loops and their significance. Remember that loops are the backbone of efficient, non-repetitive code. Use "for loops" for known iterations and while loops for condition-based repetition. Now that you understand the power of loops, start integrating them into your projects to write cleaner, more effective code. Code smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Abdul Hadi AI World, and share this knowledge with others in the programming community.